All right, we're here with our Coleman CC100X mini bike, and I'm going to show you the latest mod we've done on it. So it doesn't come with a horn, but this one has a horn. Let's hear it. All right, so the horn is right here. Got this off Amazon, and I had to install a switch right here. The power of it is this 12-volt battery that we have underneath the seat, and it's currently powering the headlights, which I've got a whole video about that. And now the horn. So it's a pretty simple setup. You basically just run power from the positive terminal to the switch, through the switch, and to the horn. The negative terminal wire goes directly from the horn direct to the negative terminal in the battery. I could show you more details of how we did the wiring and some soldering, but other than that, it's a pretty easy mod. I'll put a link to the parts in the description so you can do it yourself. All right, man, let's hear it again. It's really loud. Nice. So this is what I'm going to use. I've got some 18 gauge electrical wire, 2 different colors. This is the horn itself. Got it off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And this is the button. I also got this off Amazon. It's just a simple push button. Temporary button is what it's called. Got basic wire tools. I've got some rosin flux paste for soldering. I've got my solder, and I've got some shrink wrap. Okay, the other thing you obviously need is a 12-volt battery. So this is the setup for my mini bike. I built this steel box and have it bolted underneath, and then the battery is here. It's currently powering the headlights. So I've got a headlight switch here and a tail light. So all I'm gonna do is splice in extra wires that'll run the positive and the neutral to the switch for the horn. So let's get that started. And oh yeah, I'm in the house because it's really cold in the garage and I didn't feel like being out there, so thanks to my wife for letting me be in here. So I think I'm gonna attach the horn somewhere on the side of the motorcycle right here. Okay, this is designed to just kind of hook in with the existing brake bracket, but it looks like this bracket is not compatible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the light bracket and just slide it over a little bit and fit this one right here next to it. All right, this is the wire that came with the switch, so it's going to run power to it from the battery, and then out through the switch, and then to the horn. But I'm going to remove these terminals that it came with and rewire it because I don't have these connectors. And I'm just going to do a quick test. Okay, I'm going to run a test wire from the positive terminal in the battery. To the switch. Put the other end of the switch on the horn itself. Okay, I've got everything wired up. Test. So ideally, if I hit this, it should go. Yeah, that's loud.
Nope, you're done.
That's loud.
Nope, you're done.
Okay, no more testing. Okay, so now I just gotta wire it up officially. Okay, we've got the positive leads both rewired up. So Grady's gonna heat gun. What do you think, boys?
Good.
Yeah, gonna have a horn. Good. Okay. All right. Let's get one more piece of shrink wrap over there. Lane, you're gonna hit it with the gun. Okay.
This button?
Yeah. There's
I
only
push it
one.
up?
Yeah, you push it all the way up.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Yeah, looking good. Yeah, I think it's good. All right. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Okay, this will probably make Mom mad, but everything should work now. Ooh, that's hot. So we can plug it in. Okay. So go tell Mom to plug her ears. Hit the horn button.
Mom, plug your ears.
Just hit it once.
That was loud.
That's really loud. All right. Okay. One more time.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, do it. That's super loud. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, just putting on some zip ties to make it look good. I think that's good. So I think that's fully wired up. Got the button right here. Got Spider-Man ready to go. Wires are all good. Right there. Just got to get the seat put back on. Ah. All right, man. Let's hear it again. It's really loud. Nice.